Lights, camera, action.
Bienvenidos a Explorer con Dora, bienvenidos a mi canal. Thank you YouTuber for being with Explorer con Dora. Estamos en Navidad y para hoy tenemos un fabuloso tema de Gingerbread House. Milania junto con sus padres nos van a enseñar cómo elaborarla. Es una casa de pan de jengibre, es una confitería novedosa. Está hecho de masa para galletas cortada y horneada en componentes apropiados como paredes y techos. Además, está cubierta con una gran variedad de dulces y glaseados. Son decoraciones navideñas muy populares. Ok, Milania, el set es tuyo.
Let's have some children right here, and it's having some dots like up there, and there's some tree, a big tree, and a small tree house. There are mother, and there are the children, and there are the cake, but it says mushroom. And this is a door to go right there next to kids. And you see that heart over there? It's holding a heart cake. And there's some icing right here. Separates. And it cost $7 to a week ago. Move it around and have bubbles. And we mixing it with this.
Like a whisker.
With whisker. It looks like kind of water, but it's not. And we're going to put this on first.
And mix. Use this.
And we mix it up more. And it looks like white snow. But it's water snow because so it's stirring. It makes the gingerbread house.
Keep mixing.
And this book I mentioned, we keep moving around and have more snow in our there. It's dry. We need to keep mixing it up. Mix it. Let's have some bubbles. But there's quite snow in there. Like the ice skating. But it's not water. Blue water is not wet water. It's come with different things. Like a different color, like a rainbow. Like white, not in a rainbow, and it's very tight inside here. Put the first one, and we put it right here, and then it's and we decorate with it. It's my gingerbread house. Dora mix. Let's see. Look at this bottom part. Look at this part. Back, we almost finished the roof. Put more icing. And look at this. We're almost done. Mama, his name is Mama Mooksha. She's look like hair like Mama. See right here? She's holding this, protect her legs. She knows how to legs. She's a grown up. She's a grandma. She's a little happy face. And she has a gingerbread house right here to make a gingerbread house like us. And we'll get her dress. And Mama and her parents give me a curly hair. It look like Dana, like Julia. I make a gingerbread house. Look at that heart. She make a gingerbread house. Look at that. It's a Milania, and she's so cute, and she's happy. She's make a gingerbread house. See, she's making it all by herself, and she's right here. To next, and you can put first the kids. And I cracked them an accident, but it's okay. We can make new ones. And this one need play. This, that, more that. Kids, go right here. Right here, cause stand right there. And as we all got our ice tea and more play. See? They're behind the door. See? See the box said? There's 2 kids in the door. 2 kids. And this one, so that one, you need to put play on it. Because it's put more play. Right? This go right here will be right there in kids. And we're all set. We'll get our Christmas with our gingerbread house. So beautiful. Look at this, all the decorations we made, because it's very awesome. And this does smell great. And finished, we done. And thanks for watching. I have so much fun with you guys. So bye.
Thank you, Milania. You did a great and amazing job. Milania has hecho un trabajo espectacular para todos ustedes, YouTubers. Explorer con Dora le tiene un lindo regalo que es nuestra muñeca de nuestro canal. Gracias por este hermoso video. Watch the videos, share, and do not forget to choose I like it, thumbs up. Mira los videos, compártelos y no olvides darle me gusta, que es el corazón. Thank you for being with Explorer con Dora.